Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
We got some thick fog out there tonight, and it's an issue if you're going to be driving tonight. Now, tomorrow morning, early, a lot of us get up and head to work before sun. You're probably already sleeping, though, if you get up and work before sunrise, so this may not apply to you. I think the fog will be the thickest between about now and 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. By the time the sun starts to come up, we've got a wind picking up, and that mixes the lowest layer of the atmosphere, and so that's going to help some of this fog dissipate, but it may be too little too late, because I think that at least some folks driving to work tomorrow morning are going to have to contend with some pretty dense fog, and that's what we're seeing out there right now. 3/4 mile visibility for Grand Rapids, a couple other places reporting less than 1 mile visibility like Kalamazoo and Holland. It's manageable in Battle Creek at 1 3/4 miles. Let me show you what this looks like overnight tonight. This is the latest computer model data we have, and I agree with the way this unfolds, because I think these winds pick up, and you'll notice as the winds start to blow in from the south, notice how the fog starts to break up here slowly from the south. So we'll stop this at 3 a.m. Still really dense fog in Grand Rapids, but it's starting to break up here where the wind is starting to increase. By the time we get, this is about an hour before sunrise, hour and a half before sunrise. It's starting to lift south of Grand Rapids, but still pretty thick to the north. And then once the sun comes up, we start to brighten up. That's when I think the fog starts to lift. So if you're an early riser or you have to get kids to school tomorrow, fog may be an issue early on, but it dissipates pretty quickly through the morning. Here's a live view from Muskegon. We do have some fog, but at least you can see what's going on here in Muskegon. Now take a look at Jenison. Not quite as pretty a picture. A dense fog here, and visibility is significantly reduced. On Storm Track Live, not much in terms of precip right now. We've got some rain off to the northwest, but that's tracking into Ontario and Lake Superior, so not a factor for us. Here are temperatures right now. This is unusually warm for this time of night, this time of year. 64, that would be nice for a daytime high for the middle of October. That's where we stand here at about 10:15. A lot of warmth down to our south here. We're still in the mid-70s in Des Moines. That's current temperature. Our 8-day forecast calls for a 30% chance of showers tomorrow, mild, high of 78. The record for tomorrow is 84, so we won't break that record. But tomorrow night, early Tuesday morning, we are forecasting 65. The record warmest overnight low temperature for that date is 62, set back in 1947. So we could break that 60-plus-year-old record there. Still warm on Tuesday, breezy, 75. Wednesday we dry out, 68, and then cooler as we head toward the weekend.